guys, welcome back. Digital Slang back with another video. Today we're talking the Powerbeats Pro. Now I did pick these up on wish.com for 40 bucks. It did say they were a refurbished pair, but when they did arrive I checked them out, and with the Chinese text on the side and on the back, obviously these are a clone, and I did just rip the box actually trying to open it. But Powerbeats Pro, we'll check them out. 40 bucks, still going to be a good pickup. Battery life on here, it's going to be about 5 hours, 5.5 hours, and about 18 hours with the case. They are sweat and water resistant, however, they are not waterproof, so don't take them in the water, don't go swimming with them. Bluetooth 5.0, and we'll check them out. They're going to be pretty good for the price, but let's open up the box and we'll just get into it. We'll do all the testing that we normally do, and we'll take a look at the clones of the Powerbeats Pro. So as we open it up, we do have our first look. It does have the logo, and it is very similar to the real deal. If we open it up now, this does have a good weight to it, but let's see what else is in the box. Also in the box, we're going to get our Powerbeats Pro manual, and we're also going to get the USB to Lightning for charging. And we're going to get extra pairs of silicone tips so you can get that good fit, so you can get that good seal, and that's going to help out tremendously with the sound quality. And I can't stress enough how important those tips are. It does make a big difference if you get the right seal. So just be aware of that. Don't take it for granted. Use them and find that best seal so you can get that really good sound. So when we open this up, well, let's just take a look on the back. We do have our Lightning port to connect, and our hinge, and just the logo on the top, and there is an LED light here on the front. But if we open these up, we do get our first look, and just like the real ones, to pair, keep earphones in case. You have this little sticker. I'll leave that on for now. Let's connect them. We'll check them out, see how they sound, see what they're all about. So if we open up the case, we get that pop-up window, not your Powerbeats Pro. We hit connect, hold the button on the front, and we're going to get that same animation as the real deal. So it does say connecting, and we are connecting. Set up Hey Siri. We're not going to do that right now. And it does have the real battery percentage of each individual pair and the case as well. Get out of there. If we go into settings, Powerbeats Pro, we are connected. If you hit the info button, there's nothing to do in there. But if we go down to Control Center, we hold on that. It does say Powerbeats Pro there as well. So we'll throw them in and we'll start the testing, see how they sound. So fit-wise, these guys are not going anywhere. They're solid. They're not moving. You could run in them, work out. You could play basketball in them if you want. Definitely meant for people that are active and sporty and just want to get their workout in and not have to worry about anything falling out of their ears. These things are solid. We'll just start the test, and we're going to start today with a mic test. So we'll check it out. What's good, guys? Mic test of Powerbeats Pro. This is a clone version of the Powerbeats Pro. Let me know how the mic sounds, if it's decent. Next test, we'll check out the sound quality. We'll play some music and we'll check them out. Sound quality on here is decent. It's loud. It is very loud. There is some bass. It's definitely not as good as the originals, but it's not bad for 40 bucks. I mean, this is what you expect for a $40 pair of in-ear buds. There is some bass. It does sound a little muffled, but overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it an 8, 8.5 maybe for the price. I mean, for the price, they're definitely worth the price. We're going to keep going with the testing, and we're going to do the touch controls. Now, the way touch controls work, there is a volume button on the top here, and it does control up and down, and either pair will control that. Also touch controls, one touch, it is a physical button. The Beats logo is a physical button, so one touch or one push on either one will play and pause. 2 will go to the next track on either one, and 3 on either one will go to the previous track. And if you hold for, I think, 2 seconds, we should activate the voice assistant. So we're going to go back in, we're going to play some more music, and we'll just test these out real quick. We'll start with 1, then 2, then 3, and we'll just go from there. So play some music, take it out. There is no in-ear detection with these, so we can do this. Now, we hit the button once, pauses, hit it again, plays one more time, pauses, and plays. Now on top here, you do see the little volume button. So if we want to go down in volume, we hit the back of it. And if we want to go up in volume, we hit the front of it. And it works very well. The touch controls are automatic, very smooth, and this button is very sensitive. You don't have to push it very hard, so you're not going to get that pressure on your ear when you're pushing that button. So we'll play some more music again. So 1 tap to play the music again. Then we're going to go 2 taps, and this will go to the next track. So 1 tap to play it. Music is playing, 2 taps. Next track, 2 taps again. 2 taps again. And it does go to the next track. So play it or pause it. Now we're going to go back. So 3 taps will go back through the song. So 3 goes back. 1 more time and 1 more time. So 3 pushes does go back. Now we're going to activate the voice assistant, and this will work on Android or iOS depending on whatever voice assistant you are using. So if we just push and hold for about 2 seconds. What's up, Siri? So touch controls work very well, and I'm impressed by the touch controls. They're actually really responsive and very smooth to use. And again, the actual physical buttons, as well as the top volume button, they're very sensitive. So you don't have to apply a lot of pressure to use them. So you're not going to get that ear fatigue. It's not going to bother your ear when you're going through all of these controls. Next test, we're going to check the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. No delay between audio and video. I'm actually really surprised by that. I did think there would be a little delay, especially on YouTube. Again, for whatever reason, most of these clones have slight delay on YouTube. And a lot of times you can fast forward through it and it will fix itself. But no delay so far. Let's try one more video just to double check that. All right, guys, no delay on audio and video on YouTube with these, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised by that. I was expecting a slight delay, but these things are pretty good. The touch controls are fantastic. Probably my favorite thing about these are the touch controls. They control everything, and the fit. These fit really nice if you're into sports, if you like to run or just play sports, or you're active. These are going to be great for you because they do not move around, and they're not going to break the bank. The real ones are about $2 to $250. These are $40 on Wish. Again, I'll drop the link below, and I'll leave some other links too. There are some cheaper pairs on AliExpress that you can pick up, a little different packaging, but I'll drop the links anyway if you guys want to save a few more bucks. But that's it for the video, guys. We'll be back soon. I got a bunch more videos in store. It's Christmas Eve. I hope everybody is finishing their shopping, but I appreciate all the love. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back. I got a bunch more videos for the next few days. I got a giveaway coming up. I'm just waiting for the product to come in, and then I'll drop the video on there. It's a pair of headphones. I got one to review, one to give away, so we'll check those out. And they do have noise cancellation, so get excited about that. But we'll be back soon, guys. I appreciate all the love, and that's it. Peace.